Max. Max. What are you doing? What are you doing? Maggie. Her with a toy these days. What? A lot of people have their dogs a YouTube channel. What's so wrong with it?
I hope she's white. Not black. Well, no, I probably don't want to.
Max. Guys, I'm white. Someone comment down below. I'm gonna make my sister do a YouTube channel. And let's just see how fun it is to make videos. Next. So after this, it won't just be Maymay as a picture, it'll be Max and Maymay, because as you can tell, the channel name is Max, Maymay, and Maggie and Max, right? So it can't just be Maggie as a picture. Right, Mama? Right here beside Mama. Maggie. Right there's Maggie. Sneak peek. Look at her cute little face. Max. There's Max. So, say hi, Mama.
Max is right there.
I said hi. I said you say hi, Mama. You say hi to her.
To you?
No, to the fans. Max and Maggie's fans. You're supposed to talk. You're supposed to talk and say hi.
Hi.
Need to get my water bottle. Bye, guys. Peace.